check it out. The Husqvarna 445 chainsaw. I love this little guy, right? It weighs 10.8 pounds, puts out just under 3 horsepower. It's a 45cc chainsaw, 18-inch bar, lightweight, really zippy little chainsaw, snappy little chainsaw. If you're dealing with some small stuff, I've got some property, some limbs blow down, some small trees blow down. I just need a general cleanup saw that's not going to take up a lot of space, that I feel comfortable lugging around. Some of the cool things that I like about this is it's got a primer. It makes it start easier, right? So I don't need to pull the fuel up to the carb just by pulling the rope. I prime it. It's going to have a saw this size. It's something that I'm not running often, right? I'm really just breaking it out every few months. So I love the primer feature. I love this all-in-one switch that they have. That's nice. Easy access to the air filter. You'll see 1, 2, 3 straps that allow me to get to the top end of the saw real quick and easily. I love the quick oil and fuel caps. Just flip up and then screw it out. It gives me to grab onto. And the side access chain tensioner. You know, not a lot of saws today come with the old school up front, but having it through the side here just makes it simpler. This is a smooth operator. They've got a wonderful anti-vibration system in it. You'll see a spring here. There's a spring here. These anti-vibe springs really make this saw feel a lot smoother when you're running. So you're not going to get done after a half hour and go, that tingle is killing me. So check it out. If you're needing a small, lightweight, awesome little saw for your property, you got 3, 4, 5 acres just to clean up on, this 445 Husqvarna chainsaw may be the right saw for you. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.